Next type is rolling friction. Actually, in the some of the standard textbooks, this rolling friction is also called as one of the type of kinetic friction. So whatever maybe it is a subtype or different type, this is one of the different types in the frictional force. What is the meaning of this rolling friction? Yes, the title itself says that rolling motion. If you take a circular body which is in a solid state, or in the body which is a rigid body is said to be, these type of bodies will do the rolling on the inclined planes or on the smooth horizontal planes. Have the center and head radius. And this type of same bodies we can expect to slide over a horizontal surface. This is an inclined plane. This is horizontal. So what we can understand this rolling friction, it is also one of the friction which comes to play to oppose the rolling of the bodies on a surface. It is the frictional force that comes to play to oppose the rolling of a body on the surface. This is called rolling friction. This rolling frictional coefficient is called Fr. Fr is rolling friction. Again, this Fr is directly proportional to normal reaction force. This Fr is, if the proportionality constant is removed, then it will be replaced by mu r n. This mu r is coefficient of rolling friction. So, what is the definition of the coefficient of rolling friction? Mu r is equal to Fr by n. Therefore, Fr is rolling friction by normal reaction force. Almost all the bodies which are in the rolling motion, they used to execute the circular motion on the planes. So this is the circular motion, the frictional part, the frictional force will be in like this. Whenever this part which is in the rolling motion comes to contact with the surface, it experiences the force, nothing but the rolling frictional force. That's why these two are opposite in direction while they are making the revolutions. Next, the loss of rolling friction. So what are the laws? The first law is rolling friction is dependent on area of contact. The previous frictions, nothing but the static or kinetic, are independent. This is the only dependent. Second one, this rolling friction is inversely proportional to the radius of the body which is under the rolling motion. this friction is inversely proportional to the radius of the rolling body. But directly proportional to the normal reaction. So these are the three laws that can be explained to understand the rolling friction.
If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to get more videos on CBSE syllabus.